In this video, I'll show you how to add or change your phone number on PayPal, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to add or change phone number on PayPal, first open the PayPal app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon at the top corner of the screen to open your profile page. Next, select Personal Info. On this page, you'll see your profile photo, email address, and the phone numbers linked to your PayPal account. Tap on Phone Numbers, then tap on the primary number. After that, tap Change. To change your primary phone number, you'll need to add a new one and set it as the primary number. Tap Continue, then enter the new phone number in the text box. Once you've entered the number, tap Add. Next, confirm that this is your number and agree that PayPal may contact you, as described in the user agreement and privacy statement. Then tap Yes to continue. After that, tap Get Your Code to receive a verification code by SMS. Enter the security code sent to your phone and tap Confirm Mobile Number. Finally, tap Done, and your new phone number will now be added. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.